Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While almost everyone you see on a plane wears the pillow around the back of their neck with the gap at the front, it works a whole lot better if you flip it and reverse it. With the gap at the back, your head is supported, eliminating the strain on your neck if it falls from side to side. Chin securely in place. 2 June 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
A neck pillow is a specially designed pillow that supports your neck and head in a natural position. There are a variety of neck pillows on the market that aim to reduce neck pain and give you a good night's sleep. 7 May 2009.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.